I was at my kids' play the other day. I was just sitting there minding my own business, but I had brought my big YouTube camera, the one I'm filming on right now, my Canon 70D, and it has like a top of the camera mic on it. And I had brought that because it'll pick up a little further away, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use this to record his play. And as I'm sitting there getting ready and waiting for the play to start, this guy turns around and he's like, "Are you a photographer? Is that a mic? What is that?" And I tell him that it's a mic and that I create YouTube videos and that this is the mic that I use for those and blah, 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 blah. We get in this whole conversation and he immediately says, and honestly, this is the question I get all the time from all the people who are like, "Okay, great. That's great that you're a YouTuber, but don't know what that means." He immediately said, "How do you make money on YouTube?" And I went to school, let me tell you. I just went and started like schooling him on all the ways that you could make money on YouTube. And today I want to tell you the same thing, how you can make money on YouTube and incorporate it and entangle it with your business. What up, party people? If you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Let's just get the awkwardness out of the way because that subscribe button is just staring at you. I know it is. It's like, hey, you should subscribe to this chick's channel. She's got really good stuff. And I really do want you coming back every week, 3 times a week, to hear what I have to tell you about video marketing and YouTube strategy for your business. So hit subscribe. Now, like I said a minute ago, this seems like the age-old question. And honestly, 2 years ago, I probably would have asked the same thing. I get asked all the time, "Okay, that's great, but how do you make money on YouTube?" Or someone saw a newspaper article or a article on Yahoo or CNN or wherever they get their news, and it said something about like the top YouTuber gets demonetized and now he's not making $1 million trillion anymore. And they come to me with questions of like, how do you actually make money on YouTube? So that's what I want to bring to you today. Now, I want to give it a little twist though, because I want to make sure that you understand that you're on YouTube for your business, that you're not here to be a YouTuber. I mean, that's what you end up being when you're on YouTube for your business, but like you have more to sell than just the money that's generated from the YouTube channel. But I'm going to hit them all. So let's just get into it. Now, the first and foremost way you can make money on YouTube is the obvious way, and that is from AdSense revenue from YouTube. So how this works is that when you are eligible for monetization, which if you don't meet those eligibility things, you should probably go watch this video because I teach you how to get those 1,000 subscribers quick and get those 4,000 watch time hours so that you can be good and get monetized. But once you're eligible for monetization, that means you can turn on ads in your videos. That means that you can have a pre-roll ad. You can have a midstream ad if your video is long enough. You can have the little ads that pop across the bottom. You can have an ad on your YouTube video. Now, we think that this is annoying, but honestly, it's what people are used to. So they're just gonna hit skip if they don't wanna watch it, and they're gonna watch it if they want to. But what comes of this is that we get paid every single time someone sees those ads. So the more video views you get, the more watch time minutes you get, the more views you get, the more subscribers, all of those things, the more that this income goes up. Now, at about 9,000, 10,000 subscribers where I'm at right now, I don't make a killing off of YouTube, but I definitely wouldn't throw it away. Let's say that, because it's not bad money and it's really easy for me to do because I'm just putting up videos to help you guys, and now I'm being paid from Google. So I kind of dig it. So that's the obvious way. But you're a business owner. You have other things that you're selling. You have other ways to make money already. So you can use those to bank off of YouTube to make money from YouTube by promoting those things. So let's just talk about the not so obvious ways you can make money from YouTube right now. And this, you don't have to be eligible for monetization to take part in any of these, okay? So one not so obvious way to make money from YouTube is to use YouTube as a way to get people on your email list and into your funnels and sell a program or product or service. So you get people to watch your YouTube video, they subscribe, so you get that, they subscribe to your email list, then they go down a funnel and they learn how awesome you are, they want what you're selling, they buy what you're selling, and you just made money because someone found you on YouTube. So I think that's awesome. It happens for me all the time, which I just love so very much. And I know it can happen for you too. So there's tip one for not so obvious, is to use YouTube as a way to grow your email list and grow the amount of people going through your funnel and buying a product or service or program. The second not so obvious way that you can make money on YouTube is by utilizing affiliates. Now, I just recently released a guest article in Tradecraft, ConvertKit's online publication, all about how to use affiliates on your YouTube channel. So I will make sure to link that in the description below. But essentially what you want to do is you want to promote products that you love. You want to talk about things that you love, that you're using, that make your life easier, that would resonate with your clients or your customers or whatever. And you want to talk about them on your YouTube video and you want to link to them in those descriptions. And from doing that, every time someone buys, you make a little money. So there again, because someone found you on YouTube, you made some money. Now, the third not so obvious way to make money from YouTube is to have sponsors. A lot of people actually don't think about this. They don't think about how they can, have a sponsor come into their channel and sponsor certain pieces of content. Maybe it's once a month they're sponsoring content, or maybe it's an entire series, or maybe it's all of your videos they're sponsoring, but they will pay you to be featured in your videos. So you are making money by creating videos. So there are 4 ways that you can make money from YouTube. There's the obvious way of the AdSense ads, and then there's 3 not so obvious ways that help you make money for your business from YouTube. So I hope you're realizing how amazing this platform is and that you are loving what I'm throwing down. And if you are, make sure you hit subscribe. Also, if you have had good success creating some type of content that makes you money on YouTube in a different way, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And all the people watching this video after you would love to read it. So make sure you hit me up in the comments and hit the red subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.